Tim. Hey, Tim.
That's exactly right, Cammy. Did anyone see any sunshine today? Yeah, a couple of you? That's because Grilling with Tim officially started today. We're signing people up to win. We did the sign up today. We'll do the sign up next Thursday at Florence, the Florence Meijer. And if you have a Meijer in your neighborhood, you can always go and you can find this handsome devil right here, pick out an entry form, fill it out, and send it in. That's the only way you're going to win a Grilling with Tim party. But if you don't enter, you can't win. And they're all random. None are pre-chosen. We pick one every Thursday to see who the next winner is going to be. Let's check the weather right now. We've got clouds up there, unfortunately. No rain over Colerain Township right now, but there is a chance of a few spotty showers throughout the evening. Here's a look at live precision Doppler 12 HD, and most of the shower activity has been from Cincinnati to the northeast, and you can see a few showers